variegated shrubs for landscape. Hello friends. Welcome to Gardener's Gardening. Shrubs add structure and depth to the landscape. Shrubs with variegated leaves increase their garden value. Foliage that is variegated has more than one color on each leaf. Patterns include markings like streaking, blotching, spotting, and outlining in one or more colors. Number 1. Aralia. Aralia have the ability to purify the air. They can remove harmful pollutants and chemicals, providing you with cleaner and fresher air to breathe. You can grow Aralia as houseplant and bring it outside during the summer months. It can grow in full sun. It prefers rich organic, loamy soil that is moist but well drained. The plant is not drought tolerant. Aralias are good luck plants, which brings positivity for your home. Aralia prefers 65 to 80 degree Fahrenheit temperature and humidity. This excellent air purifier filters out formaldehyde and benzene from air. This lucky charm believed to bring wealth and success to those who nurture them. Aralia symbolizes good fortune, abundance, and prosperity. So, is an ideal shrub for your landscape. Number 2. Bougainvillea. Variegated bougainvillea has leaves that are a blend of light green and creamy white with hints of pink. Variegated bougainvillea is a thorny ornamental vine that can be given shape of shrubs with variegated leaves, colorful bracts, and the bracts surrounded tiny white flowers, creating a striking contrast. Bougainvillea grows best in full sun and in well-drained acidic soil. Water regularly, especially in full sun, water freely in summer, and sparingly in winter. Pink-white variegated bougainvillea are popular ornamental plants in India, in most areas with warm climates, and grown both as shrubs and as vine. Number 3. Song of India. Variegated Song of India plant, where leaves are multicolored, with bright green centers and yellow margins. The colors fade to light green and cream as the leaves age. They are popular, easy to grow variety, can be grown both in indoors and outdoors. The plant removes toxins from the air including benzene, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, and VOCs. This plant symbolizes protection and brings feng shui benefits, so an ideal plant for your landscape. Number 4. Boxwood. Evergreen variegated boxwood, Buxus sempervirens variegate, is a new version of the old classic, with cream margins on dark green leaves. It grows best in full sun, has above average heat and cold tolerance, mature heights between 5 and 8 feet, and widths range from 5 to 6 feet, providing ample material for sculpting into your wildest potted topiary dreams. In the garden, try your hand at creating rectangular hedges or round ornamental specimens. Number 5. Azalea. Semi-evergreen azalea has dark green foliage with irregular cream or silver margins. This plant is perfect for containers, borders, and beds. It requires a full sun and benefits from winter shelter in the coldest regions, where it is likely to drop its leaves. Especially in springtime, magenta flowers burst into bloom. Number 6. Cape Jasmine. Cape Jasmine, Gardenia jasminoides variegate, has glossy evergreen leaves, randomly splotched with lime and dark green leaves. Its white flowers bloom from spring into summer, scenting the garden. Grow it in a pot or plant in the garden as desired. Number 7. Kaleidoscope glossy abellia. This small semi-evergreen shrub makes up for its size in personality palette. It keeps changing all through the year, offering you and your garden new surprises as time goes on. Shiny leaves emerge as yellow to lime green, then gold, orange and red. The white trumpet-shaped blooms that open at the tips of the branches will start in late spring and continue into the autumnal months. Number 8. Variegated star jasmine. This climbing shrub has glossy oval leaves with a center that ranges from a bright kelly to a greyish pine green. Margins are cream, varying from whitish to yellowish. Star-shaped snow-white flowers literally cover the plant in spring, and you will enjoy this evergreen shrub all year round. It can become quite massive as well, and it is great on walls, to cover fence, pergolas, and transform your home into a colorful and fragrant garden. Number 9. Spotted Laurel. Decorative variegated shrub that will give your garden colors and interest all year round. Its evergreen, dense glossy foliage will shine with its brilliant green shades, lots of yellow dots scattered all over them. A wonderful choice for most landscaping design, spotted laurel is a low-maintenance variegated shrub for hedges at the back of borders. It is equally attractive in containers and perfect for foundation planting. Number 10. Duranta. Variegated Duranta erecta plant is an evergreen shrub that has a growth habit of upright growth. The sky blue color flowers bloom in clusters, spreads vanilla fragrance. Leaves are broad variegated white-edged. If you are looking perfect landscape plant, it will be the best choice with low maintenance. Pruning this Duranta erecta hedge makes the plant bushier within short period. It is mainly an ornamental landscape plant that grows best at full sunlight. It helps to add both privacy and beauty as hedge. Grow some of these variegated shrubs and decorate your landscape garden like a pro gardener. If this video is useful to you, remember to like it. Share with your friends and family and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Take good care of your green friends and make sure they stay happy. God bless you and thanks for your time.